Hey there, I welcome you back to my channel Krisi Vichar. In this video, I will show you the carrot flowering and we will discuss many things about this flowering. So let's enjoy. Carrots are biennials, meaning they have a 2-year life cycle. Flowering carrots can also be seen or occur if they are left in the ground over winter and a mild spring. With scientific name Daucus carota, it belongs to a family of Apiaceae. Carrot flowers develop in second year, which is also known as umbellate because of its umbel shape, which are group of flowers which produce seeds. From the hypocotyle, a tap root develops. Initially, the plant produces top growth, which supplies carbohydrate to the swelling hypocotyle. High temperature increases respiration in the leaves, which reduces color development and sugar accumulation. Low temperature initiates flower development and reduces carbohydrate accumulation in the hypocotyle. Most often, the plant will not initiate a flower head until the second year of growth and a chilling period. A carrot can have almost 1,000 flowers, which are very little and small in size. The outer flowers mature first, though the flowers in the core have the most fertile pollen. Each flower has 5 sepals, 5 stamens, and 2 carpels. Each carpel has 2 ovules. Because the pollen and ova of a single perfect flower are fertile at different times, the carrot is not normally a self-pollinator. Carrot seed will normally remain viable 70 to 80% germination for about 6 to 7 years when stored dry. That is about moisture percent or moisture content of 9% at temperature below 18 degrees Celsius. Carrot remains in a juvenile non-flowering from until subjected to cold exposure. Carrots planted in last year's autumn garden and overwintered are still in their juvenile stage of growth and the root is still edible. But soon, a spring flush of shoot growth will occur in tissues that have been induced to flower, commencing the irreversible transition from juvenile vegetative to edible stage to reproductive maturation, that is flowering. Since cross pollination is essential for seed development, the Apiaceae family derives its name from its affinity for attracting bees, which are the primary pollinator. Daucus carota seeds are very tiny, which are covered with a fleshy mericarp that must be removed prior to seeding. Thanks for watching me until the end, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for further updates. Till then, stay tuned, stay motivated, bye bye.